Hi everyone, in this video I will explain how to share a folder between Windows Gust and a Linux host in KVM, QEMU, Virt Manager. First, make sure it's turned off. First, we're gonna open the virtual machine, so grab your Windows 11 and press the open button and go to this thing, show virtual hardware details, add hardware, and you are looking for file system and choose Virt IOFS. If you don't see it from your drivers, I assume you must install it. Usually if you install Virt Manager, probably should be installed as one of the dependencies. Choose the Virt IOFS and choose the source path, the folder you want to share. So let's go, for example, this shows all my ISO files I've got. Browse local and choose a path, a folder, any folder you want to be shared between this PC and the virtual Windows instance, and choose that as the source path. The target path, you can name anything you want. It will show up on the Windows instance, the name you put in here, and choose finish. And this will give you, I've already set up one, and this is an example. So I've mounted my games not installed folder, and I called it Linux data. And once that's done, power on the virtual machine, and we will have to install WinFSP Fuse. And if I remember to put in this description all the stuff that needs to be downloaded on the Windows virtual machine, navigate to this website, to WinFSP installer. So you can see over here GitHub, WinFSP releases. If you can see it over here, not sure. And choose the latest, download WinFSP. I've already done it, so you will get in your downloads folder the WinFSP installer. The author's name is Navmatics, and go ahead and install it. So let's click this. Let's do next. I've already installed, so it asks me if I want to change or repair the thing. Now, once it's done, downloading the Virt.io Gust tools. So let's see what that is. So on your Windows instance, go to fedorapeople.org, groups, Virt.io win, Virt.io-win, direct downloads, and so I went with stable. So latest, I assume, is meant to be more buggy, but later more features. So go to stable and choose either the MSI or the EXE. Virt.io Windows Gust tools. So this is 64 version, 86 version, and the EXE. So I went with the MSI. Right click, save link as, and choose save. You should have the Windows install package, and since I've downloaded it once already, it gives me this one thing. But yeah, probably the Windows installer will prompt you to run anyway, or it's security risk or something. So that might happen. Once that's completed, reboot the system. You can check if the installation went well by doing a right click on the Windows logo and doing and going to Device Manager and checking if everything is okay. Go to System Devices and you should look for Virt FS device. Yeah, that's the correct one. And properties and the details. Let's see, the driver should be from Red Hat, signed. Next, reboot your Windows PC. I don't have to do it since I've done it already. Then type in services. Oh my goodness, mouse fell down. Hold on a second. Sorry. So services, the app came up, and launch that and scroll down. It should be in alphabetical order. If not, you click this and this should put it in alphabetical order. At the name thing, the arrow should be pointing up. That's when it's in alphabetical order. You scroll down to where it says Virt IOFS service and do start. If you want to be able to access the drive again and again, every time you boot up, it should be automatic. Choose properties and general and do automatic. That every time you reboot the system, Windows will detect the drive. If not, you will have to come in here in services and manually start the service and press apply. Okay, and then you should see in your PC whatever name you have entered in the Virt.io in the Virt Manager settings over here. Whatever settings you entered over here should be the drive name, and I assume it, for some reason it gives it letter Z. Yeah, drive letter Z. And that's it. Hope this guide helped you. Leave a like, subscribe, follow for more. I don't know if I'll do more videos like this, but whatever. Have a good one.